Hello everyone. Welcome to the CRM Essentials course. In the last lesson, we learned about contact. In this lesson, we will be learning about opportunities. Let's take a look at opportunities. We use F1-6 to represent the identifier of this feature set, opportunities. They are used to track and manage potential sales opportunities, including details of conversations with customers, sales stages, and expected revenue. Imagine you're a salesperson, and you've been talking to this potential customer for a while. They seem really interested in your product, and there's a good chance they might buy. That whole situation, that's what we call an opportunity in a CRM system. You can see that contacts include the following main features: add opportunity, search opportunity, view opportunities details, edit opportunity, archive opportunity, and convert to order. Converting an opportunity to an order typically means that a sales opportunity, which represents a potential sale or deal, has progressed to the point where it is being finalized as an actual order for the product or service. This conversion indicates that the potential sale has been successfully closed and is now being processed as a confirmed order. What is the relationship between customers, opportunities, and orders? You can see that a customer can generate multiple opportunities, which are typically obtained through communication between sales representatives and the customer. Then, through sales follow-up, the result of these opportunities can be a win or a loss. A win means the opportunity is converted into an order. A loss means the opportunity is lost. One customer entity can be associated with multiple opportunities, while one opportunity is only associated with one order. Next, let's create the data structure. First, select the customer's sheet. Duplicate it. Change the sheet name to F1-6 Opportunities. Also, update the title name to Opportunities. In the Basic Info section, we need the following fields: opportunity name, related customer, related contract, owner, opportunity amount, win rate, estimated close date, remarks, and updated time. The win rate represents the success rate of closing a deal. The estimated close date is the date when the opportunity is expected to be finalized, whether successfully or unsuccessfully. In the Status Info section, we need the opportunity stage, which includes the following stages. Prospecting: this status indicates that the sales team is identifying and qualifying potential leads or prospects. It represents the initial stage of exploring potential opportunities. Qualification: this status indicates that the opportunity is being evaluated to determine its viability and alignment with the organization's sales objectives. It involves assessing the potential customer's needs and budget. Needs analysis: this status indicates that the sales team is conducting a detailed analysis of the customer's requirements and challenges to understand how the organization's products or services can address them. Proposal: this status indicates that the sales team has submitted a formal proposal or quotation to the customer, outlining the proposed solution, pricing, and terms of the potential deal. Negotiation: this status indicates that the sales team is engaged in negotiations with the customer regarding the terms, pricing, or specific details of the proposed solution. It represents the stage where final details are being ironed out. Closed won: this status indicates that the opportunity has been successfully converted into a sale or order. It represents a successful outcome where the customer has agreed to move forward with the proposed solution. Closed lost: this status indicates that the opportunity did not result in a sale. It represents an unsuccessful outcome where the customer did not proceed with the proposed solution. In the Relevant module, we need a price quote. The price quote is used to provide product quotations to the customer. The quotation includes the following fields: product name, code, cost price, sales price, quantity, unit, subtotal, and operation. Next, we will create the prototype based on the created data structure. First, create an opportunity folder. Duplicate the customer management page and its branches. We will use this as the basis for the prototype. Change the page name and title to Opportunities. In the search field, we need an opportunity stage. Enter the fields from the data structure. In the search field, we need an opportunity name. Then, modify the table name and tabs. We also need a new opportunity button. In the table, we need an opportunity name, an opportunity stage, and a related customer. Adjust the content of the table. We also need a related contact and a converted opportunities to indicate whether it has been converted into an order. Then we need opportunity amount and win rate. Add an estimated close date and days since last contact. Rename the pages to New Opportunity, Edit Opportunity, and Opportunity Details. Go to the New Opportunity page. Change the page title. Then, change the labels to Opportunity Name and Related Customer. Change the drop-down list options to Please Select. Then create a multi-select list for related contacts. We also need an opportunity stage, an opportunity amount, a win rate, an estimated close date. Then copy and paste the page content to the Edit Customer page. Change the page title to Edit Opportunity. Go to the Opportunity Details page. Change the page title to an opportunity name. Then we need a related customer, an opportunity stage. Then we will create an opportunity stage indicator. Create indicators for completed stages, current stage, and incomplete stages. Modify the tab label. Changing opportunities to price quote. Remove payments, as it is not needed in the opportunity. Then add a price quote status in the dynamic panel. In the basic info section, create related contacts, opportunity amount, win rate, estimated close date, and remarks. Next, let's create the interface for price quote. Copy and paste a table and buttons from Opportunity Management page. Then change the buttons to add, edit, and delete all. Then create these columns in the table: product name, code, cost price, sales price, quantity, unit, and operation. Finally, add a subtotal. Then change the options in the operation panel to convert to an order. Next, go back to the Opportunity Management page. Modify the target of the opportunity name link and the edit button link in the operation column. Then modify the interaction of the Submit button on the Edit Opportunity page. Change the content and name of the notice on the Opportunity Details page. Return to the Frame page. Add an interaction to the Opportunities navigation. Set it to open the Opportunity Management page in an inline frame. Preview the prototype. You can select options, switch tabs, click the New Opportunity button to open the new Opportunity page, and then click Submit to automatically return to the Opportunity Management page. Click the Edit button to open the Edit Opportunity page. Go back to the previous page. Click the Price Quote tab. You can view the price quote table. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with others. Thank you.